It's March, first week of March here in North Carolina. It's a very cold 34 degrees. This is my 91 GMC 2500. Naturally aspirated 6.2 diesel with 330,000 miles. It's not plugged in right now. We're going to do a cold start, move it up closer to where I can plug it in. Wait for the plugs. Go ahead and pop the hood. That's actually the original color. You can see it better here. You see the original trim and everything. Originally used as a contractor truck. First go and it's cranked right up. Oh, we'll close this. Ow. Turn on the lights. Crank the heat on. Pop the brakes so I can move her. She's in 2. Ooh, that's close to my porch. The advantage I've got with this truck is it's already got a block heater installed. Shut her off. Set the e-brake back. I already popped my hood. Set that there. Grab our cord. Not very good at recording, don't judge me. The fuel pump priming for the next time. I've also got a neat little work light over here that I can move around the truck. It's on a little cord. My flashlight's working for right now. Let's see, block heater. Here's my little plug. I guess I used to have a mount there. It's gone now. Go ahead and bring the hood down. Bring this end over. Go on in there.